So, welcome to day 3 of affiliate marketing for digital products. So, I'm assuming you all might have gone through products, different digital products, and you might have seen approximate budget which is required for each of these tools. So, I'll just brief about these budgeting part: social media activities, website, email marketing, funnel system, and finally your tribe. So this is what we had already seen yesterday. I've just added the rough costing part, which generally is uh, against each of these tools. So when we go for website, generally is it costs total to 6,000 rupees, which includes the domain and the hosting. Email marketing system, it generally goes to 2,000 rupees. Funnel systems, if we really want the funnels, quality funnels, when we go into the tools, it's roughly charging 8,000 rupees. And all the integrations, because when we go for different tools, we need a handshake system which is going to integrate all these things and have a common language against each of these platforms. So that integration tool takes approximately 2,000. All the costing except for the website part is rough costing for monthly. Okay, so your total cost generally comes to 6,000 rupees for yearly with respect to website hosting and all other things, that is email marketing system, funnel system, integration, and the chatbot. These things, these things are going to be on monthly basis. So that is the reason if you see the total costing minimum, this is the minimum count. We have not actually taken any costing with respect to decorative items, posts, logos, and all those things, right? So this is something minimal we have to spend. But yes, there is an exclusive tool which is there in market, which I also have used and have been using, which is Buildroll. Okay, so this is one tool, a single platform which is available for digital marketing. And if you see the costing perspective, it has a 14 days free trial where it gives us access to its all the key tools. We can access, we can have a proper hands-on different tools and confirm if we are comfortable with the application of the tools. Okay, and then it has different versions, and based on our need, not everyone need to go for a premium version. Based on different needs, we can choose which is the right uh, plan which we need to go for. Okay, so let's assume we are just making an informative based website where we just want to give lots and lots of information and have an email marketing system. We can go for the simplest packaging tool, which is simplest plan, which is builder plan. Okay, but if we have an online course where we want people to come into our website, register, and then start viewing the course and everything to be automated, in such case we go for the premium plan. Okay, so premium plan is the highest, that is roughly 5,000 rupees. Why I say approximate? Because all the values are in dollars. Okay, so you all can convert and check the day-to-day pricing. So this is the tool which we'll be learning for next entire set of days in this particular course. So today's activity is going to be really very focused. No, please do not log in to Buildroll system. Okay, do not sign in because it has a limited of 14 days free trial. So today I do not want you all to directly jump and log in and just waste your first day. I just want you all to explore all the tools which are being provided by Buildroll. It almost has 20 plus tools. Okay, which includes hosting of the website, email marketing, different marketing tools based on different social medias like Telegram, or if you want to do it SMS based, chatbots for your Facebook, for your websites. If you have an LMS system, then entire LMS setup and having a webinar call, YouTube live streaming, SEO part, videos or image editors, all the tools required from digital aspect are there available with Buildroll. At the same time, when you go, even when you go on minimum plan, you will get a lot of templates which can be used to design your own website. Okay, so everything is drag and drop, and it's really very simple. We, in all this 14 days, I'm genuinely going to take you through each of the tools and how it functions and what are the do's don'ts, and how to take care of it, how to structure your entire set. At the same time, we also need to see how to start selling and earning, because that's a key motive. So we will be going through all these things, but first is to make your base strong, for which you need to understand the system very well. So just understand the concepts behind the tools which are there with Buildroll. Okay, even if you don't want to buy, still you need to know if you are selling, right? So in either of situation, just go through all the tools. We are again not going to spend a single rupee. So this is what I wanted to tell you all about the tool. To add, there were a couple of questions which were asked to me in since last 2 days, which I wanted to clarify for everyone. Question one: if I want the images, how do I choose good quality images? So I've already asked, given you all a couple of free sites: pixabay.com, pixel.com. We also have unsplash.com. These are the websites which have free good quality images. Make sure to use images from these websites. Okay, you can go for the paid images as well, but just wait for initial days, take some time, understand, establish, and then go for it. Second, designing the logo. There are multiple options available already onto the website where you can start designing your logo and you can purchase it yourself. Second, there is something called as fiverr.com, fiverr.com. You can anytime go there, you will get lot of freelancers and you can see their work. Depending on their work and pricing, you can select someone who can prepare or design the logo for you. Okay, there is also an option of canva.com where you can create your own logos and you can start using it. So there are different options, and when you are going into this particular setup, make sure that you are a registered person. Register yourself as a proprietary, at least, if not a private limited or something else. For this, it is required that you register yourself as a proprietary. Okay, so registration you need to take care of. Second, you need to take care that you have there are two ways actually to sell this: either under a brand name or under your name itself, as I am doing under my name, sumiajmera.com, right? So that's my website URL. So whatever I do it under my name. Similarly, for my learning courses which are not related to digital, I have another brand name called as Sumiajmera Academy. So on different scenarios, we either go for a brand name or with our name. If you are if you're going for a brand name, then your DP should have your brand logo. Okay, in all social media activities, make sure your DP is your logo. If you're going by your name, then your DP should be your close-up image. Okay, so depending on the scenario, make sure you use right images. It's important. When you're using your images, make sure it's a close-up image which has an eye-to-eye contact with the audience. How do we click, or how do we go about with such images? Always when you are going for a click, make sure you are looking towards the lens of the camera. When you're looking towards the lens, by default, all your images, whichever have been clicked, will come in a way that you are giving an eye to eye contact. Okay, So it was just a small tip. So till this point, any questions from anyone who I've got a lot of images, Facebook page for review, but I got everything on personal window. I will encourage you all to give it on the common window rather than personal. It will help others also. So any other questions, please throw back onto the chat window and we can have a small discussion. If any questions or hurdles, or you want to share any ideas or anything, just let me know. No questions. Great. So today's task, two things. One, make sure you are continuing to engage your social media page. So one post needs to go there. And second activity is going to be just understand what is Buildroll, how is Buildroll, go to different reviews, how it is, what it is. And then tomorrow we will see what is the next step. Okay. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye, everyone. We all meet today again at evening 8 p.m. Till then, bye bye.